Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how do you see a sent friend request in Snapchat. So firstly, open your Snapchat. So once you have opened your Snapchat, what you have to do here is click on the search option here on top. So here, search for the person that you want to check whether you have sent the friend request or not. So you can just search for them. So once you search for them, click on that person's profile. Okay, so once you click on their profile, alright, so once you click on their profile, you will see an option here on the top right with a blue tick, a person and a tick next to it, a blue color tick next to it. So with this icon or this notification means that you have already sent the friend request, but the person is yet to accept it. So if you check this, so if you go to the profile and if you check for this icon here, you can confirm or check that whether your friend request has been sent or not. So that's how pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.